Hello South Africa. Soweto Derby, Kaizer Chiefs v Orlando Pirates. How much do tickets cost? With just under a month to go, tickets for South Africa's biggest sporting showpiece, the Soweto Derby, are on sale and available for supporters who wish to get their hands on them and attend the match next month. The fixture, which takes place at least twice every year in the DStv Premiership, will return when Kaizer Chiefs host Orlando Pirates on Saturday, November 11th at the FNB Stadium in the 178th official meeting. Stand tickets cost between R100 for level 5 and R170 for level 2. These are available at Ticket Pro and other outlets including Spar and Boxer supermarkets, Sasol and shelf filling stations and Postnet outlets. Tickets for the popular Kaizer Chiefs Family Zone are also available, with packages ranging from R350 to R550. People with disabilities and those with children under 12 can purchase their tickets through info@ticketpros.co.za. All ticketing information, including hospitality suites, is available via Ticket Pro's website at www.ticketpros.co.za. Supporters are encouraged to get their tickets early to ensure they are part of Africa's football spectacle. More details about the 178th edition of the Soweto Derby and activations will be communicated in the lead up to the match. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Luke for the South African.